Welcome to the Hard Hat Training Series. Today we're going to talk about the safe operation of front-end loaders, also commonly referred to as wheel loaders, payloaders, bucket loaders, skip loaders, scoops, and shovels. True to their many names, they are versatile machines capable of performing many tasks, including stockpiling, material handling, heavy lifting, demolition, grading, landscaping, excavations, backfilling, snow plowing, bale stacking, log removal, and so on. During this presentation, we will take a look at the functionality and components of a front-end loader. We'll also show you why it's important to conduct a thorough pre-shift inspection each day before using the equipment. We will look at machine stability and the importance of not only knowing the loader's capacity, but working within those limits. We'll emphasize the importance of planning each job and setting up the machine and site properly to avoid hazards and obstacles around the work site. And finally, we will touch on some of the more common hazards associated with loaders and discuss how to recognize, avoid, or minimize them. By the time you complete this training with both the written and practical exams, you should be better prepared to safely operate a loader. You will be familiar with the equipment used by your company, have an increased knowledge of how to set up and safely operate a loader, and be able to recognize and avoid the most common hazards associated with its use. Anyone who operates heavy equipment must receive training prior to operating the machine on their own. As noted below, requirements for refresher training are also very specific. Regulations specify that an operator must take a refresher course if any of the following apply. The operator is observed operating the machine in an unsafe manner. The operator is involved in an accident or a near miss. The operator receives a poor evaluation for performance. The operator is required to use a different type of machine or attachment, or workplace conditions have changed. The standard also says that each operator must be reevaluated every 3 years to see if they are still competent to operate the equipment. A so-called free pass cannot be awarded based on experience, age, or time on the job. The extent of the evaluation is to be determined by the employer, but should include a written and practical examination that prove continued competency.